The 6's cancel each other, and only 3 remains. Finally, 3 divided by 3 becomes 1. But this answer is not correct because we violated one of the most important rules of mathematics, the rule called the order of operations, commonly known by the acronym PEMDAS. Each letter in the word PEMDAS represents one step. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. When we face a complex mathematical expression, we must first solve the parentheses, then we calculate the exponents. After that, we move on to multiplication and division, and finally, we perform the addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have the same priority, and we move from left to right when calculating. Whichever comes first, we perform that operation first. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. If this question has come to your mind, what is the difference between PEMDAS, BODMAS, BIDMAS, and so on? The answer is simple and short. There is no difference in meaning between them. They all express the same concept, the order of performing mathematical operations. Only the naming differs in different countries. Why are their names different? These acronyms are just memory aids. P and B stand for parentheses and brackets. E and I stand for exponents or indices. O stand for orders, such as roots and powers. The rest are the same. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. So all of these mean the same thing. First parentheses and exponents, next multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Based on this explanation, let's solve a more complex problem. Before solving the problem, if you have enjoyed this video so far and found it useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Doing this takes almost no effort from you, but it helps me a lot. The question is, 20 minus the quantity 1 plus 2 squared, all cubed, divided by 5 squared, multiplied by 4. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have 1 plus 2 squared. Exponents have higher priority than addition, so we calculate the exponent first. 2 squared becomes 4, and then 1 plus 4 becomes 5. Now we must calculate the remaining exponents. 5 raised to the third power becomes 125, and 5 squared becomes 25. Now multiplication and division have equal priority, so we move from left to right. Whichever we encounter first, we solve first. In this problem, we encounter division first, so we solve it first. 125 divided by 25 equals 5. Now multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, so we perform it next. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. Finally, 20 minus 20 equals 0. So our final answer is 0. Now consider this question. 3 divided by 3 over 6 multiplied by 6. In mathematical form, this is 3 divided by the fraction 3 over 6 multiplied by 6. To solve this question, we use the KCF rule. According to the KCF rule, we keep the first number as it is, change the division to multiplication, and take the reciprocal of the second number. So 3 divided by 3 over 6 becomes 3 multiplied by 6 over 3. Then we cancel the 3, and only 6 remains. Finally, 6 multiplied by 6 becomes 36. So the final answer is 36. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.